In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your PDF Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a photo, logo, or graphic into an existing PDF and save it as part of the document. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With your file open, look toward the top or left panel and click on Tools. This opens a workspace with a variety of editing options. From there, choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals a dedicated toolbar for making changes to your document. In that toolbar, click Add Image. Acrobat will open a file browser window so you can select the image you want to place. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and TIFF are supported, so choose the one that fits your needs. If you have a version of the image with a transparent background, such as a PNG, that can help it sit nicely on top of your page without a boxy edge. Once you've located the file on your computer, click Open. Now move your cursor over the page where you want the image to go and click once to place it. Acrobat will drop the image at that spot and show a bounding box with sizing handles. If the image needs to be larger or smaller, drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions looking natural. If you need to rotate it slightly, look for the rotation handle and turn it just enough to align with your layout. To reposition the image, click and drag it to the exact location you want. As you move it, alignment guides may appear to help you line it up with existing text or objects. Take a moment to preview how the image interacts with your content. If it overlaps important text, consider nudging it with your arrow keys for precise placement or adjusting its size slightly so everything remains readable. If your image looks blurry, it may be too small for the space. Try using a higher resolution version for better print and screen results. When you're happy with the placement, it's time to save your changes. Click Save to update the current file or use Save, as if you want to keep the original PDF unchanged and create a new version. After saving, the image becomes part of the PDF content, so it will display and print consistently on any device. That's all it takes. Open your PDF, switch to Edit PDF, add the image, place and adjust it, then save. Simple, predictable, and professional.